Rust on the banners, cinders in our lungs. They welded shut the sunset, branded us with tongues of coal. Copper chains on cobblestones, engines screaming names. We learned to carve our freedom in the cracks between the frames. Explosion, steampunk, rebellion, still hearts beating out of time. Raise that rusted flag to heaven, let the pressure blow the line. Explosion, steampunk, rebellion, from the goddess to the throne. When the borders hit 11, they will hear us take it home. Oh! Smoke halos around us, goggles snared with grime. Maps burned into our palms from a different kind of time. We twist the sacred cogs into slings and slanted knives. Turn the ticket little kingdom into sparks across the sky. Who oils the gears that grind us? Who counts the cost in bone?